Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is exciting because I haven't really done a makeup video in a while, I feel like. And I just wanted to talk about products that I have been loving recently. So if you want to hear about some of those, stay tuned. But before we get to all that, I'm going to need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. I'm going to need you to hit it. We have a lot of fun here on my channel doing makeup, food, fashion, lifestyle, everything you could ever want. And make sure to hit that thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So let's get into this makeup. Okay, first thing that I've been obsessed with is this Patrick Ta blush in the shade Do We Know Her? It is the perfect peachy blush and it has a powder on the bottom and a cream on the top. And Mr. Patrick Ta gave us this brilliant tip where you put the powder down first and then use the cream on top to give it a little like sheen moment. So I do that and I'm obsessed with it. And it really just gives you the cutest little peachy moment. Like, I think it looks really cute. I love it on the nose especially, and I can't recommend it enough. Okay, next product I actually used today for the first time, but I can already tell that I'm going to love it. It is the Lemonhead LA Loose Glitters and Mixing Medium. Usually their glitters come like pre-mixed in the medium like this, but recently they added loose glitters to mix in with your own with their medium, and so I bought a few different loose glitters. The packaging's so cute, but today I used this super colorful one because it matched my nails so well, and I am obsessed with how it looks on the eyes. It just looks like sprinkles. It's so fun. It's so me. I love it. And it was really fun to like mix up myself. It was kind of a little experiment. But I basically love every product that Lemonhead LA puts out, so I can't recommend their brand enough. It makes me feel super creative. I don't know, it really brings out that colorful, glittery person that's inside of you, so love everything from them. Okay, next product that I am so obsessed with is the Beauty Bay, hello, focus please, Pastels palette. I think I got this for 10 bucks, and please, let's just look at this color scheme. So adorable. I used this to make my last makeup look, I think, in 2 videos ago, and I just love it. I used it on the bottom lash line today, and I think it really brings the look together. This is just another palette that really makes me want to be creative, come up with really cute ideas, and I feel like neon-y pastels are so in right now, so I can't get enough of them. I love it. Okay, next product I did a whole review on. It is the Gucci mascara. I love it more and more every time I use it. It is just so high quality. It curls lashes so well, really coats them, and it's such a nice buildable formula that you can do 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layers, and it just keeps looking better and better. Like, it is so cute. You can go for more of a natural look or build those lashes up. So yeah, I can't get enough of this. If you want to hear more in detail about it, you can watch the video. I'll put it up there. Next product I've been loving is a brand that I just tried for the first time called Arches and Halos. And it is a brow company, and I got this from Walgreens, and it literally looks like a Anastasia Brow Wiz moment or a Benefit Precisely My Brow, and it works just as well as those. These are just so user-friendly. I have the shade Neutral Brown, and it's just a really nice lower cost alternative to those higher end brow pencils. So check out your Walgreens for Arches and Halos. They also have every other They have pomades, they have brow gels, they have every product you could want for your brows at a really, really nice price. So I definitely am gonna be checking out more of their products. Okay, this has been my favorite lip combo right now. It's just like the perfect nude shade for me. I love it. And it is the lip liner. It's KKW lip liner in shade Nude 1. It's just the perfect neutral tone lip liner for my skin tone. It's not super, super cool gray, but it's not super, super warm pink. Like, it's just perfect. And then in the center, I use Kylie matte liquid lipstick in the shade Libra. And it is super pale when you first put it on, but that's why I use the lip liner with it, because I blend it out into the lip liner, and it is immaculate. I love this combo. I can't recommend it enough. And then last product is one of my favorites. It is the Freckle Pen thing. I have freckles naturally, but once I put makeup on, you know, they get covered up. So I really like to bring them back out with Freck. And it is the most natural looking freckle pen that I've used. I've used a couple, and this one is just the best. It gives I don't know how to explain it. It just looks so natural. The color is spot on. The warm orangey brown is spot on. I just really like it, and I love how this look came together. I'm loving all the products clearly, and yeah, that's the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what products you are loving right now, because I'm always looking for, you know, some more goodies, but I have been obsessed with these ones recently. A lot of them just inspire me. A lot of them are just a straight up good product, and I would recommend every single one of these to every single one of you, and that's all I got. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did, and that's it. So stay on fleek, friends. Bye.